Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Tina. Now, Tina is sending this message to Lorraine and Bradshaw. Now, she's saying that they had called immigration on her when she went to Jamaica before, and because they wanted to know when she was traveling, but she did not see anything. Now, Tina is making a lot of allegations. Um, she's talking about Lorraine, and her face, different stuff that she believes. She's saying that they're making allegations against her, and at this point, she's just tired of it. She's saying that Lorraine seemed to, she went into the big kid stuff, and she's trying to size up with her basically, to put herself on the same level. But she's saying that that's she and Lorraine is not on the same level. But it's really a good thing that Lorraine sees herself in that way. Now, as you know, Tina is going to be talking. She's going to talk a lot. She's talking about her face. A lot of different stuff has come up in this. And she said she will go toe to toe with them if they come back, to say anything else because she's tired of them telling lies on her because at this point she's saying that they're making up stories and she's just tired of it. And she called also Lady V's name. So guys, go ahead and catch the video and see what Tina had to say. And for all my lovelies out there today that's celebrating your birthday, I wish you a happy birthday. And I wish you a year filled with success, happiness, peace, joy, and love. And guys, remember to share, like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my other lovelies out there and my new subscribers, I wish you guys a wonderful day.
Look, I'm not even rub on my sunscreen this morning before I come on road. Look on my face, Lorraine. Look. Look at this. Look. You don't see no sore that I'm picking from my face, right? Look at my face. No sores. And my kids are the same way. Yeah? Especially the big one and my son. My big one and my son have the same skin type like myself here. Gigi mother have a different skin type because she take off for her father side of family. Huh? But if you look upon the big one, and CJ, and Kenza, and Gigi, and Isla, the whole of them have the skin. Man used to love me because of my skin. I mean, live for see on the germs come on the internet and talk about how me have wingworm. Wanna stop deflecting that germs on people because I don't have it. Look at Lorraine's face. Lorraine can't even speak in a camera. She can't even talk in camera because somebody supposedly do something here so. Me ear say them supposedly S-H-O-T in her mouth right so. And left her face disfigured. And that not just that, she's rubbing, so she bust up all over and I pick her sort of bump and all sort of something off her jaw corner. And you're on the internet talking about people? You have some goddamn nerves. The audacity of you. You hate yourself because you're bleaching. You need some medication for your skin, woman. You don't need... Bleaching cream is not medication. You need some retinol. You need some retinol. You need some vitamin C for the skin. The way you rub your skin, your veins, them not stop stick out. You know to say, you need to stop rubbing. Your skin is thinning. Right? And because your skin is thinning, your veins are about to pop through your skin. I can only imagine what your pillow thing smells like. Your pillowcase is supposed to smell like nothing but chemicals. You know, I was reading an article a couple of years ago about this whole bleaching thing. and the husbands were complaining about their wives bleaching. And they don't like it. You know why? Because they say when they come to bed at night, hoping to hug up them wife to smell bath and body. You know what them smell? Chemicals. You know why they smell chemicals? Because their wife are bleach. They're all over them body. Them say sometime when them a kiss them wife, that's all them a taste is bleaching cream. That's you, Lorraine. Because you hate yourself so much. You don't even love the skin you're in. So how do I expect you to love anybody? You don't even want to live in that skin of yours. If you could have peel it and take it off and wear another skin, that's what you do. And when you come on the internet again today, I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back for you. Because we're going to duke it out once and for all. May I come back for you? I got time today. I'm coming right back for you, bitch. And you too, Michelle Bradshaw. I got time. My bakery's not open yet. Tired of y'all. Too damn provoking, man. Go find something to do. When you say when I abandon corruption, up to now corruption abandon yet. You still over there talking. When you say you not getting away with Dana, you move on. Why you come off of Dana? What's the real reason why you came off of Dana's back? I mean, you see who the real thief is, right? Why you come off of Dana back for? Right? Because, you know why you come off of Dana back? You come off of Dana back because your sister Dana got a Panama. And it shame you because you're bad mind people. You don't like to see people living. It's either their friends or she bad mind. One out of the two of them. Then I go a Panama and it gets into you. Everything like stuff like that get to you. It gets to you. When you see people out there living, it gets to you. It's like a bad mind strain where just stand up in you. Because in your mind, nobody's supposed to do those things in life. When you see people like me traveling, it gets to you. When you see people like me with my grandkids just living, it gets to you. That's sad. You need help. Okay? You need help. Okay? Because in your mind, luxury to you is going to KFC. Luxury to you is going to Friendlies. Your husband taking you to Friendlies. That's a luxury to you. Your husband is your heart and soul. Thank you, Patricia, for the stars. Thank you, darling. Your husband are your heart and your soul. You can't do nothing upon your own. You can't even order something for yourself. Don't you see how immobile you are? That's sad. You know? You see, Dana go to Panama. You get up and you stop talking about Dana because you're shook. You're shook. You see, she give away, as dumb as her idea was, but she give away all this money upon her life. I don't know why the fuck that bitch did that shit. That was so dumb. But you see, Dana give away $5,000 upon her life. You're shook. You were so like, oh my God, I can't believe she give her $5,000 because you don't know things. You're not used to things. You're not used to money. You're not used to life. You're not used to the good life. Your everyday thing is like luxury to you. You understand what I'm saying? It's like luxury. You don't own no luxury, but you act like your life is luxury. Okay? You act like it. Because you want to convince the entire social media that you're doing these things in life and you're rich. You're not rich. And it's so important for you to come on this internet to just be yourself. This is what a lot of y'all don't understand. Come on here and be yourself. Be organic. Be genuine. People will like you better that way. But when you come on here and project this rich life like you're better than people want to see it. We want to see it. Where is it, Lorraine? Where's the rich life that you said you had? Where is it? Hmm? Where's the rich life? You went as far as teaming up with Valine Williams. Hmm? To talk about, oh, me thief money from people. Come to find out the customer got her refund 2 months prior. Didn't even know she got her refund. Didn't even know. But y'all were ready to, oh, really? Now, Lorraine, if you wanted to start the baking shit, this is what I don't understand with a lot of you grown women, especially you grown women on this app. Those of you who move around those bitches over there. If you don't want to start something for yourself, you know, it's as easy as going and doing it yourself. Like, you could just go on the state website, go register one who want to register and get to know one local thing. It's that easy. Right? Y'all didn't have to go that route to try to tear down my business, to just say, okay, you want to start baking and all of these other shit. Lorraine, come here. Do you really believe that? I mean, and I'm not bragging. I'm not bragging, people. I'm a very humble person. But where in your dunce ass mind do you feel like me and you are on the same level when it come on to be a kid? Like, what in your head tell you that? Your ambitions are very high to even think that way. Okay? So whatever little plot or plan you're trying, bitch, back down. Step down. And I'm being very humble, guys. Because we don't know what in a fear right mind, like in our mad mind, tell her say, me and her upon the same level. It's what I've noticed about y'all on here. Y'all see me on here, and I came from pretty much, I built my business from the ground up, right? I didn't depend on none of y'all to help me or anything like that. I built my business, right? Because when you think about it, Lorraine didn't help me at all in my business, at all. She didn't even share one flyer when I knew of her back then. She not even did share one flyer. And the times when she used to be like, Tina Chin Cakes, that bitch, that wasn't real. Because your heart did not burn up. You couldn't stand it. So this whole Tina Chin was all fake. And I knew it. Don't fuck with my intelligence, Lorraine. But I played along. I tolerated you. I didn't malice you. I tolerated you. There's a difference. But don't think I didn't know what was going on. I knew what was going on inside your little pea brain. But I laughed it off because you are who you are. Sometimes you just have to accept people for who they are. You know that their mind's small. You know that them bad mind you. But you just tolerate them. You tolerate them while not telling them your business. Okay? Because you can't just, and everybody are going to just cut off like that. You just keep them at a level. Keep them at arm's length. And that's exactly what I did with you, woman. I kept you at arm's length. I didn't get you involved in my business at all. At all. And I think that's why you're mad. Because you didn't get a chance to be a part of my life and get into my business. You see, like how me here the other day where Festive. You know, again, I don't know this lady. Never spoken to her. I don't know what's going on in her life or anything like that. But because she went public, I can talk about it. She talked about this publicly. So I'm going to make reference to it. You see, like how Festive come out and say, should they talk to you about our son and how our son had got through this and this and that. No, baby love, I didn't share that conversation with you, bitch. I didn't share no conversations about my life with you. Nothing at all. Because I had already known who you were. I just kept you at a distance. And like I said, I was just tolerating you. Okay. But I guess you thought that me and you were going to get so cool that you were going to get into my business. You know. No, Garnet. Let me put her in her place first. Garnet, just be patient with me, darling. Garnet, let me be patient with me, darling. Just be patient with me. Just be patient with me. Let me get it out of my system. Because this bitch just don't know how to quat and behave herself. You understand me? She don't know how to quat and go have several seats somewhere. She and our mad friend, Bradshaw, they don't know how to quat with them idiot followers, them mad people in a clean clothes followers where them have over there. And to the followers over there talking shit, listen, if I blocked you, I blocked you. I'm not unblocking you. That's just who I am. Because you're not going to be up in the comment section dragging me and come over on my page and be communicating with me. I don't know which fucking world y'all living in, but in my world, that ain't going to happen. You know what I realize about a lot of you platform holders who get into entanglements with me? It's like when I have a secret hate for me. When I can't stand it. And I'm being very humble by saying that. I've noticed that. It's like the minute y'all decide to turn against me, wanna start try compete against me. You know? If you never used to do this, wanna start do it. And then wanna make it seem like say wanna try provoke me. Oh look, I'm gonna start doing the wedding cake. Oh, I'm gonna start what I wanna do it. Noel do it, all I wanna do it. It's like when you can't allow me, I make me run my business. When always I try compete against me for some weird reason. If you don't like me, move on. But it goes to show how on a bad mind from a long time. On a bad mind from a long time and was just waiting on a time to start doing on a fuckery. On a bad mind from a long time, y'all's intentions weren't real. When I used to come over my page and talk about, oh, wanna like me, and it wasn't real. Because look at it now. They're funny, they're weird looking motherfuckers, but I got... Laurie, they're weird looking. Yes, we know they're weird looking, but sometimes you got to check them. They still got a mind. Remember, these people laid eggs. These people are functioning in society. These people got mouths. You know, as much as they're weird looking, they got a small brain. And believe it or not, there are other small brain people out there listening to them and believing this filth. So it's very important for me to put that information out there that it's not true. You understand what I'm saying? I try to ignore as much as possible. Jesus Christ. You know? You know what I'm saying? Y'all's intentions for me were never good. All of them shout out or not shout out. Oh, teenagingcakes.com. Teenagingcakes. But then again, when another deceive me, I'm a cutting it off instantly. When I take part on a page, when I start do the same thing like what me I do. When I start decorate cake. You know. Y'all got issues. Y'all are weird. Tina Chin is not the only one who can bake. Mind you, I am not stopping anybody from baking. I am not. You know, that belief claiming that that's a lie. It's so far from the truth. Because I'm in my own blood clot world. Like, in a real life. I'm in my own world. I want to let people understand that. Like, in my own world. And I was the first child. Actually, I'm the second child for my dad. But I grew up a loner. I grew up as the only child for my dad. There's a reason for that. Okay? So I know how to stay by myself and up here. I know how to stay by myself. So this whole, I grew up in a loving home, people. Yes, I did. So this old tenement yard behavior where them people are born with on the social media, I don't know about them things. Them things are foreign to me. Because my dad did a great job to protect me from that environment. That type of thing. I grew up with my dad. Yeah? So the whole tenement, fight for one can of sausage, dog eat dog, backstabbing, betrayal. I'm not used to that shit. I'm not. You see, just like liar Lorraine, weirdo looking Lorraine, get up and just tell lie promise her. I can't do that. That's a mental problem. She has issues. And anybody who knows her should stay away from her. Away from her. Okay? Because you come on this app and frig with people, and when you get your dose, right? You come and mess with people, and when you get your dose of whatever, you pick up yourself and run gone to police. People like you shouldn't go to the cops. Because you do deserve a good beatdown, believe it or not. You do. And you deserve it to your face. Nowhere else on your body, but to your face. That's what you deserve. You even deserve it on your gums so that you can't even wear dentures anymore. Because your mouth is the problem. And I can see why. I can see why you got that thing right here. Your mouth. And when you're getting anybody who's giving you that beat down to your face, they should even, I think they should destroy